Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you how you can use or how to use Instagram filters on your gallery photos. So first, what you'll need to do is to simply launch your Instagram app on your device, and if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on it. After, or if you are already in your Instagram app on your device, just go on and add to your story right here. And then after that, just select the photo that you want to add the filter on. So I'm gonna choose this, and then in here just click on the third circle right here, and it looks like 3 stars right there. It looks like 3 stars. So just tap onto that, and you should be able to see this on your screen where you can pick any filter that you want to use in your photos. So that is how you can use Instagram filters on your gallery photos. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.